So guys, as discussed before, that I'll be starting with the series and quickly going through the first mnemonic, right? That will be for the things you have to learn about the stomach, what all glands are present in the stomach, right? I'll give you a very simple mnemonic to start with, and so let's get started, right? So this mnemonic is C, D, E, F, G and P. C, D, E, F, G, P. So it is alphabetically C, D, E, F, G, P. C, D, E, F, G, P. First thing, C. C is for chief cells. Chief cells are present in the stomach, we all know that, right? And I'll be telling the function with it. Chief cells are very important. Chief is something chief, right? Like the chief guest. So chief has to be something that is very important, right? So the very important thing that in the stomach has to be secreted the pepsinogen. Pepsinogen, we know that, right? That is for the digestion of the proteins. Moving further, we have D. D is for the D cells, right? They secrete somatostatin. Chief is very important. D is not that important. That is why it is secreting somatostatin. That is a hormone that decreases the secretion of the HCl, right? And who increases the secretion of the HCl? That is the last word of the mnemonic. C, D, E, F, G, P. P is the parietal cells. They secrete the HCl, right? C and D we covered. Now E. E is the enterochromaffin cells, right? ECL cells, enterochromaffin cells. What they secrete? They secrete histamine, right? C, chief cells, pepsinogen, right? And also the lipase. So the enzyme part is secreted by the chief cells, right? D is for the D cells, somatostatin, not very important, decreasing the HCl, right? C, D, E is enterochromaffin cell secreting the histamine. Then F. F is for F. Moving forward, F. F is for the foveolar cells, right? Foveolar cells are secreting the mucus, right? So mucus is very important. We know that food will not move through the stomach without the help of the mucus. So foveolar cells for mucus. F. Now G. G is for gastrin. Gastrin is also very important. We know that, right? So we have covered C, D, E, F, G, right? C, D, E, F, G. Now next, P. P, parietal cells. P, parietal cells. C, chief cells. D, D cells. E, enterochromaffin. F, foveolar cells secreting the mucus. G, G cells secreting the gastrin. So guys, I hope I made it easier for you. It is C, D, E, F, G, P. C, D, F, E, G, P. C, D, E, F, G, P, right? So in this way, we have learned in a very concise way what all are the cells in the stomach and what all they secrete, right? C, chief cells secreting pepsinogen and lipase. D, D cells secreting somatostatin, decreasing the secretion of the HCl. E, enterochromaffin cells secreting histamine. F, foveolar cells secreting mucus. G, secreting gastrin. P, parietal cells secreting HCl and intrinsic factor, right? So all these are the cells and what all they secrete I have told you. That's it. Thank you.